Hey guys, hey everyone. I know I haven't done a video in a long time. It's definitely been a while, but anyway, I've decided to do more videos recently, and I will be doing a lot of unboxing, subscription videos. So anyway, I'm gonna do my first unboxing of my first subscription, and that's Ipsy. And here you go, my Ipsy subscription. I used to have Ipsy back in like 2014, 2015, and in 2015 I stopped it. So this is my first Ipsy since 2015, so I'm very excited about it. The reason why I stopped in 2015 was definitely because I was just getting bored with the items I was getting in my bags. So definitely wanted to give it another try, see if maybe they've improved in the last 3 years. Also, for those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a subscription. It is $10 a month, where you get a little cute bag. The bag is different design every month, and you get 4 or 5, sometimes 6 products. Some might be full size products, and some will be smaller size. You get anything from makeup, skincare, hair care, nail polishes, nail care. So anyway, let's get onto the bag. This is what it comes in, like this bright pink packaging. I was super surprised when I got it this month because I thought I missed the deadline for it because I was on a waiting list. So when I got my mail, I was like, oh cool, so I'm getting it for this month. So yeah, I think this is the August bag. So yeah, let's get into it. I've only opened it because I did not want to show how cozy I am on camera, because that's a story for another time. Anyway, so first I am seeing 2 foil packets. Oh cool, there are Drusa blackberry mask is one. So they're like sheet masks. They're Korean. I love Korean skincare. I do have a lot of sheet masks. Actually, when I was in Japan a couple years ago, I bought a bunch of sheet masks. I have not used them. They're too cute to use. Like, I got like one that like has Barbie on it, and like Hello Kitty ones. Just so cute to use. Probably they've expired by now though. Anyway, so yeah, this is the first one. And it says mask. I like this. It says mask, don't drink, because it looks like a juice bottle and just like a warning, don't drink me, you have to put me on your face. And then the next one is a kale mask. It's green, so I think this would be more like a soothing mask, because it's green. I don't know. It says kale juice a day keeps trouble away, and then for the blackberry, it says blackberry juice a day keeps trouble away. So same thing, just different juices. But so yeah, this would be interesting to use. I do like sheet masks. I have used quite a few of them, but I've never used kale or blackberry masks. I've used pearl mask and all that, but rice mask, but not this. The kale one is a little bit interesting. It says kale pack vitamins and beta carotene is best anti-stress and redness relief. So like I said, it's to calm your skin, treatment for your skin. So anyway, that's that. And then the blackberry one says this rayon sheet mask soaked in blackberry essence will contour perfectly on your face, helping you regain vibrant skin. One day you look in the mirror and say, very, very nice. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out. I do like that they gave 2. So yeah, this is good. I mean, I'm not big, like, I don't like getting skincare items a lot in my subscription boxes, but I'm definitely looking forward to these 2. So definitely very excited about those. So yeah, let's get onto the actual bag. They were outside of it. Ooh! So this is what the bag looks like. It's like a orange, kind of like a peachy orange, so like a coral color with a little bit of yellow. It has a little tassel on it. Look at it. It's so cute. And it has Ipsy on the back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this bag when I go to Florida for Labor Day weekend. So definitely will take it. It does feel kind of empty, but we'll see. So first thing I got is this Kaleido Cosmetics skin blush. It says soft skin blush. We shall see. So this is what the packaging looks like. I don't know if my camera can focus on it. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It says it's talc free and firmly with 100% plant-based ingredients, and it's cruelty free. So that's awesome. I like products that are cruelty free. It says certified vegan and gluten free. It's great. Woohoo! I like this. I mean, I like the idea of it. So yeah, this is what the packaging. I like the packaging. It's so stylish. It's so cute. Trying to make where my camera focuses on it. There you go. See? It's really nice. It is plasticky. That's okay. It even comes with a mirror. So this is what it looks like. This is what the color looks like. It's like a very nude color. It seems to have a shimmer on it. Yeah, it's very shimmery. This is definitely not a... This is more like a highlight to me. This looks more like a highlight. This is what it looks like right here. See, to me it just looks more like a highlight than a blush. Anyway, I would use this as a highlight. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, different. I like this. I'm excited about using this. So far, so good, Ipsy. Definitely, I'm liking things I'm getting. Our next thing is this Mint Pear Rose Hip Night Serum. Oh, natural, pure, and organic. That's cool. I like the serums. I like using them. I've definitely gotten more into skincare recently. But I'm just very particular about my skincare. So, but yeah, definitely would try this. I think this would be good for people with like dry skin, because somehow my skin went from super oily to super dry. So we'll definitely use it. Let me see what it smells like. I just opened it up. Well, this could take a while. Still going at it. Yeah. Let's see if this helped any. Let's see. Oh, finally we got it open. Finally got it open. It doesn't... This is what it looks like. It's not like a drop. I mean, it's like a drop, but not like one of those guys. See, I'm gonna put a drop. Definitely oily. It feels nice on the skin. It definitely feels... It smells like lavender. I don't know if it has lavender in it. Yeah, it does. It smells like lavender, which is interesting because it says rosehip, but it smells like lavender. So anyway, I'll definitely give this a try. I think this, I mean, it's for nighttime, so this will definitely like calm me, relaxing me because it's sleep earliest. So yeah, I'm excited to try it, see how it goes. But the opening, that was interesting experience. And the next item is by the brand called Hikari. It comes in a little bubble wrap. Yay, I got bubbles to play with. And it's the cream pigment. That's what it's called. In the color shade Fierce. See, in the shade Fierce. Again, it's cruelty free, which is great. I'm trying to open it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, actually, it reminds me of another shade that I actually have on my eyes today. This is, this is very smooth. This is what it looks like. Very smooth. It kind of reminds me of a, it smells, it's more like, I don't know, it smells like something. I just can't put my mind on it. It definitely is like one of those shades that changes color. It's like a pink and like, it's pretty. It reminds me of the Turkish Delight in the Huda Desert Dusk palette. It just reminds me of that shade, and actually that's what I have in my eyes today, is the Huda palette. I actually recently bought it. I've been waiting to buy it for a while and I just never did it. I recently bought it and I've been in love with it. I know it's like old, but for me it's new and I'm excited about it. And then like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So remember how I told you I have Huda eyeshadow on me? Well, I got a Huda liquid matte lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. And oh, that's the packaging. I was like, well, that's kind of weird. No, this is just a packaging thing. So I'm just gonna take that out. So this is what it looks like. I am super like excited about this in the Trophy Wife shade. If it will. I'm gonna open it up. Don't run away. And it's full size. That's awesome. Like, these are not... I love these lipsticks. I have one already in the color Sugar Mama. And I really like it. It's like a nude shade. Ooh. And I have one of the sets that came last year. It was like the mauve shade. This is what it looks like. It's this shade right here. I just kind of blend it out a little bit because I put too much. This would be great for like the fall. Like these are all fall. these two, like the shadow, the pigment, and the lipstick, definitely perfect for fall. And I feel like everyone now is just getting into like the fall mood. I think people over summer. I'm not, but I feel like other people are. Everyone's just excited about fall. Like Starbucks is talking about like the pumpkin spice lattes and bringing them out early. So I know I can tell everybody's excited about fall now. And then winter comes and we all want summer, you know. But anyway, yeah. So anyway, this was my first Ipsy since 2015. I think it's great. I like it. I definitely am super excited about the hooded lipstick that I got, and it's full size, so that's awesome. And then definitely excited about trying the masks. And I like the I like everything, honestly. The only thing I'm kind of iffy about is this oil, but I will try it. Just because my skin does need a little pick me up, something to hydrate it. So, and everything else, I loved my Ipsy bag this month. I really did. Oh, and also I also have Sephora Play. So if you see another video with me wearing the same clothes and same makeup look, you know I filmed them on the same day. But anyway, just heads up. What I was gonna say is I'm thinking of doing like Battle of the Boxes, or Battle of the Bags technically because they're bags, but like Sephora Play versus Ipsy, because they're both $10. So it's good to see which one's worth and which one is not so worth $10, because not everyone can subscribe to both and pay $20 a month. I know not everyone can. So I think this would be a good way for people to pick which one they like, you know, which items they like and all of that. So if you like that idea, you know, the battle of the boxes, definitely leave a comment in the comment section down below. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. If you are, thank you so much for being subscribed. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I've decided to start doing more videos. I just please be patient with me. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.